Welcome to the adventures.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right now we are here in Difu, and in this vlog we are going to show you all a very special place. And right now there is with me the Karbi guy.
Yes.
He's a local YouTuber from Difu. And then we have our sister-in-law, Homsera. She is going to be the guide today.
Yeah, this evening it's all about, a street food, where we find a good street food in Difu, especially at a specific place called Rongkhelan, just in front of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Difu. And behind us, we can see that there is a long row where people are selling their street food, and we don't have to go to other foreign countries to just for the food items, because we already have a special items here in our place also. So this evening I want Longki's Adventure just to give a brief show or a shot of the
Behind.
Yeah, behind the
Behind us.
street food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And it's just for the eye. Yeah. So we have smoked pork and chicken here, and we don't know what is exactly inside this box. Oh, so this is roasted pork which is prepared well and it's already packed inside. So it's 100 per packet. So if you want to buy, just come over here and take. It's already prepared. Just you can have it directly for dinner.
Okay.
We will just go serially from the previous one and
Okay.
go on ahead. So here we have pork sausage. This is very tasty actually. They boil the intestine of the pork, pig, and later on put some varieties, whatever the ingredient inside the intestine and then they boil it and then they steam it. Then this is how it is made. And now we are going to have a taste this pork sausage.
You check it, this one. The pieces are so huge, It's like very juicy or something, like buttery,
No, it has lots of oil. I mean to say fats. This is full of fats.
So.
And the people here, they love fats actually.
Okay.
And I guess most of the people prefer fats to the flesh part.
Is it?
I guess it's probably the same items that we have come across the previous one. This is also pork, and I guess this is also pork. Dini lapakok po. Chicken avelo. So I know that the people
The chicken
here
already sold out.
it's
Yeah.
already sold out.
So guys, whenever you come to Difu, please you don't forget to visit this place. And since we have shown you some visual here today, it's like such a wonderful place, and this smoked pork and all seems to be very, seems to be very tasty, isn't it? Don't forget to help us by subscribing to our channel.
Yay!
Yeah. And sharing among
Exactly.
your friends, because we have to promote this place to all over Assam
Across
as well,
the world.
across the world. Since many people will be coming to this place, even maybe in years to come.
Yes.
So
yes.
this
I
place-
believe this place is going to grow in market in a sense of commercial area.
Oh.
Because now it has started. Before it started just 1-2 stall, but now most of the people are started doing their own business already. And most of the people prefer street food. Street food is very popular here in Rongkhelan. So I
Okay.
guess you should come. It's very tasty. The roasted pork and chicken are very tasty, and I guess this is the best place for that in Karbi Anglong. So you should come.
So guys, whenever you come to Difu, please don't forget to visit this place.